Hello and welcome to HeroTech Systems. This is Lab 5 of our CCNA Cisco Packet Tracer Lab series. And in today's video, we will be demonstrating collisions in an Ethernet switched network. So from our demonstration today, we will be able to determine if the switch will allow two PCs to transmit at the same time. You remember from our demonstration in Lab 3, where we found out that in a hub network, the hub only allows one PC to transmit at the same time. And if two PCs try to transmit at the same time in a hub network, a collision would occur. This is the topology which I'll be using for this demonstration, and it has already been built in the last lab. If you have not watched that lab, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. So let's get right into it. The first thing we need to do is to ping between the PCs to ensure that there is connectivity. So I'm going to ping between PC4 and PC5, PC4 and PC6, and PC5 and PC6. All right, so that's confirmed. There's connectivity. And now I'll go to the simulation mode. In the simulation mode, I will ping between PC4 and PC5, and I'll ping between PC6 and PC5, and I'll play. So let's watch how the packet travels through the network. Notice that there is no collision happening in real time compared to the hub network in Lab 3. The ping between PC4 and PC5 is successful, and the ping between PC6 and PC5 is also successful. So this shows you that switches operate in full duplex, while hubs operate in half duplex. That means in a hub network, one-way communication is allowed, but two-way communication is not allowed. And this is the reason why you should never use hubs in your network. You should only use switches to connect your PCs in your network. In our next video, we'll be building a more complex network that spans multiple switches. And I'll show you how to link those switches together to create one large network. So here is the video, guys. Thank you. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new lab, you will get notified. God bless, and I'll see you in the next lab.